Hi everyone, it's Lori and welcome to my channel. I hope you are all doing well today. So today I am here to share with you the latest kit from Doreen over at Oohlala Vintage Treasures. And then after I show you some pages from the kits, guys, I did not print them all because these two kits are massive. But we have Harvest Waltz Vintage and then we have just the Harvest Waltz. So the Harvest Waltz is like a pink, and then the other one of course is vintage, and that's what you're seeing here. Absolutely beautiful kit. So again, I did not print it all. I did go ahead and back these because I do have plans. Absolutely gorgeous kit, and if I'm not mistaken, the Harvest Waltz in pink are the exact same pages, but in pink, if I'm not mistaken. Doreen, please correct me if I am wrong. Look at that. It looks like sweaters. How amazing is that? And at the end of showing you guys some pages from this beautiful kit, I will be sharing my design team project, which is a little project that I made. Look at how gorgeous that is. With some of the elements from this kit. I love this. How she did the clipboards. Look at all of that. Absolutely stunning kits. She is so amazing. Absolutely amazing. Look at all those. Stunning kit once again. Now, some of the ephemera pages, guys, I did on the pink. I think I ended up only backing one of these. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at the pumpkins. How sweet. Absolutely love this page. So I knew I had to print this one out with the pumpkins on it. And then there's some more of those little clipboards. So cute. Absolutely beautiful. Alright, so this right here, guys. Let's see, this was just the sweater. In my project I was going to do something with that, but ended up not. So these are just some of these pages again. And she also has, guys, look at how cute. This is Harvest Waltz Pumpkin Patch Blush. How cute is those pumpkins. And this one is the Pumpkin Patch Tea Dyed. Super cute. I mean, just look at how awesome these are. And then that's another one on the tea dyed. And then this right here, guys, is just some of the pink ephemera. So for just the regular Harvest Waltz ephemera that I had cut out where I was working. So you get all of these different words. And you get them both in the vintage and in the regular, which is the pink. And I guess maybe this is French. I have no idea. I should have asked. But these are absolutely wonderful to play with. So I had cut those out for my project. And look at these pumpkins, guys. How cute. So sweet. So yeah, so that's just some more of the ephemera and stuff in the kits that I had cut out. So you guys go over there and grab yourself these kits because they are absolutely amazing. Beautiful kits. So yeah, so that is the Harvest Waltz Vintage and the Harvest Waltz Ephemera, the pink one. And then the pumpkin patch, super cute. So I will make sure to leave all of Doreen's links in the description box below, so you guys go over there and check that out. So now it is time for me to share with you my design team project, which I used the Harvest Waltz Vintage and the Harvest Waltz, the pink one. So it came pretty quickly to me. What I wanted to do, and I knew I wanted to do like either a clutch or some kind of purse or something. And well, I decided to take a Reader's Digest, and I actually made a purse slash ephemera holder / journal holder. You can actually put whatever it is you want in it, and I will be making another design team project with this kit that we will actually put inside this. So what I made, guys, what I ended up making was actually a purse from a Reader's Digest. So here are our handles. So we have handles on the front and the back, and this is just a piece of muslin and a piece of vintage lace that I used to make that with. And there's your Reader's Digest. I just painted it white and then put her beautiful kit on the front and the back. When we get to it, I also lined the inside before I did the sides. Here is the spine of the book, but it's actually, you know, the bottom of our purse. So this is one side, and that's those clusters that we made. And here is the other side. So for me, this is the back of my purse, and this is the front of my purse. And then as you can see on the sides, I just have, I do have that muslin in there, and then over that I put some of that beautiful lace there that I had in my stash. So that's the way that it sits up, guys. So can you imagine that sitting up in your craft room as a decoration? So we will, I guess, go ahead and get started with the front. So on the front, back here in the background, I did put her kit, this lace over the bottom here. One of those flowers that we made just out of those little strips of various materials that I have. Some lace here. These are 2 of the journaling cards that's in the kit, and I actually did score them and make them into pockets so you would have a little gusset so you could fit more stuff down in it. So let's see, do I have something to prop this up with? There we go, that'll work. So there is a little pocket here, and again, that is a little journaling card from the kit. And in there, this is part of the ephemera kit. I did back it, and I just put a little applique from the vintage wedding dress that I had purchased. And then there's another one, same thing. One is backed and one is not. So those just go down in this little pocket here. And I kind of offset them as on this side as far as the appliques go. So there's that. And then this is just a little strand of pearls that had this on the end, I guess, that you would stick into a flower. So I just decided to stick that down in the pocket. So you have that sticking up there. Not sure how well you guys, there we go, you can see it better that way. And then in this pocket here, I do have a string of light pink pearls here. So in this pocket, again, is just 2 of the journaling cards from the kit, and just put some lace at the top. So they go down in there, kind of offset, so you can get a little peekaboo there. And then you turn it over to the other side, and I have pretty much did the same thing but with different pages. So you have your little pocket here, and again we have another thing of those little pearls there, a couple of little elements, journaling cards and stuff from the kit. So that goes down into that little pocket there. And then that is going to just slide right down in there. I just thought that added a little something extra. And again, use the paper in the background. Some lace here and some of those little pink beads there. And we have another one of those flowers adorned with some bling bling that was in my stash. And then here we have a bit of a smaller pocket, and I actually have 3 small cards here that have lace at the top of those, and they just slide down in that pocket like so, where they kind of, you know, stagger up so that you can see all of the different laces there. Alright, so now guys, we will get into the inside. Alright, so the inside here. Now, I did line the inside, and I also put a pocket on the inside. So these are just sitting down in there. Got strings everywhere. I love the strings though. So this is just a wedding dress that I have bought. It was like one of the first ones that I bought, and it's like a tan looking color, but then it has the pearls and all on it. But this is one of the pumpkins. Isn't that so cute? So I just put that on there, and again, it is just way down in the big section, not actually in the pocket. And there is one for the other side. And then in that first pocket, the stuff that I took out, we have this journaling card with some lace at the top. And then we have this one. Same thing. Again, I tried to cut them where it would stagger and you could actually see the lace. And then behind that we have another one of the pumpkins, and then just a piece of an applique there. That's going to go that way in the pocket. And then another little pumpkin, and I just put a sheer ruffle there and some bling in the middle of that one. So that one goes there. So that goes in the front pocket, and then we turn it around here. And I placed these where you would be able to see it from the outside. So now in this pocket, we pretty much have same thing. I did use the same kind of laces because I wanted it uniform on the front and the back, but I used different cards. So we have that one, and then we have this one. Isn't that so pretty, that wreath? And then we have this journaling card from the kit. And then we have this beautiful pumpkin here. And this applique here. So that goes there. And then another one of the other little pumpkins there with just some of that sheer ruffle and some bling in the middle. And that goes there. Alright guys, so now we're going to look at the inside. So all I did for the straps was I took these two pieces, tied it in a knot at the end, and I have super glued it here. And if you look down in here, I did line the inside here with one of hers, and then made this pocket to go here on the inside, and I did do that on the front and on the back. So that is actually where our goodies go, is just right down in that pocket right there. And then we have our pumpkin there, and then we have our other pumpkin here, and that's the way it looks when you look at it on the front. So you have these in the pocket that kind of meet these in the inside pocket, and then we turn it over and we pretty much have the same thing. We have these three that are going to go down in this pocket, and again we have them where they kind of stagger, so you can see all that pretty lace that just goes beautifully with her kit. And then this one again goes on the left side here down in that pocket, and then this small pumpkin goes over here, and then that's the way you see it from there. And then these big ones, I just had it down in here. So oops, sorry, I'm not on camera. So if you look down in here, we have plenty of space. Let me actually measure that for you guys, and I will tell you how thick of something you can actually put down in there. So it's about 2 inches. So you could put something in there that is about 2 inches thick. So I'm thinking about going with an ephemera holder to go down in there with lots of lusciousness sticking out. Or you could do a journal that's this size and put it down in there. And of course you could put it down in there with the spine straight down and have a bunch of stuff sticking out the side that will then poke out of the top and kind of coordinate with this. Now I am undecided. Alright, so these big pumpkins I had just sitting down in there. Actually, this one on this side, and then this one on this side facing that way. So we have those in there. Let me close this drawer back. For starters there. So yeah, so my next project will be something to go inside. And like I said, I am leaning toward an ephemera holder. But it may end up being a journal. I'm not 100% positive yet. Let me actually measure this Reader's Digest so that you guys can get a sense of what that is. So that is 7.5 by 5. So that is the size of our little purse here. So yeah, so that's what she looks like, guys. I had so much fun working with this kit, and I was so inspired. Okay, so for me, that is the back, and this is the front. But that's how she stands up. So yeah, so this is my design team project for Doreen over at Oohlala Vintage Treasures. I hope you guys love her. I absolutely love her. I get so inspired by all of Doreen's kits. It is just, you know, and the reason I didn't film the making of any of this one is, like, once I got started, guys, I could not stop. I just rolled. It was so easy with her kit to be inspired. So yeah, so thank you so much, Doreen. Again, I really do appreciate you having me as a design team member for you, because this is absolutely amazing, and I am having such a good time working with your kits. They are all beautiful. Guys, she does have new kits coming, so please keep an eye out for that, and they will be just as gorgeous as the rest of them have been. And I will make sure to leave a link to Doreen's Etsy shop, where you could actually go and get all of her kits, if not these, then the other ones that I have been working with. And again, you know, keep an eye out. You can go over there and heart it, and you'll get a notification when she has anything new in her shop. And I am super excited, like I said, about her upcoming projects. I cannot wait. But yeah, all of her links will be in the description box. I will also leave a link to all of my other fellow designers who are designing for Doreen over at Oohlala Vintage Treasures, who is on her design team. Alright guys, thank you all so much for joining me today. I really do appreciate it. Please hit that like button and leave me a super quick comment. It's an excellent way that you can support my YouTube channel and support me and help my channel grow. I love you guys so much, and we'll see you next time. Bye bye.